Hello students, welcome back. Today we will discuss further more questions based on adjustment of goodwill at the time of retirement of a partner. That means if a partner is retiring from the business, how we will adjust goodwill. So as we have already studied, the retiring partner will get goodwill which will be given to him by the partners who are gaining. In question number 21, it states Arjun, Bhim, and Nakul are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 14 is to 5 is to 6 respectively. Bhim retires and surrenders his 5.25th share in favor of Arjun. Now, if you see this question clearly, it states that Bhim is surrendering his total share, that is 5.25 to Arjun. He is not surrendering 5/25 of his share. He is surrendering the total share in favor of Arjun. His share is 5.25. He is surrendering the whole share in favor of Arjun. अगर यहाँ लिखा होता he surrenders his 5/25 of his share. Of his share बोला होता that means इसका हमें निकालना पड़ता वन फिर. बोला है his 5.25 share. That means he is giving his whole share to Arjun. So the total goodwill will be given by Arjun to Bhim. The goodwill of the firm is to be valued at 2 years purchase of super profit based on average profit of last 3 years. We have to find the goodwill on the basis of 2 years purchase of super profit on the basis of last 3 years profit. Profit in the last 3 years were 50, 60 and 55. So the average profit will be 55,000. Now the normal profit is also given, that is 30,000. We will find the super profit and then the goodwill. Next is given that goodwill already appearing in the books of firm is 75,000. This goodwill will be written off between the old partners in their old ratio. The profit for the first year after Bhim's retirement was 1 lakh rupees. इसकी भी journal entry पास करनी है. The remaining profit, the resulting profit of 1 lakh will be divided between Arjun and Nakul in their new ratio. So the solution will look something like this. For the first thing, the goodwill already appearing, that is 75,000, that will be written off between Arjun, Bhim and Nakul in their old ratio. Arjun debit, Bhim debit, Nakul debit, two goodwill accounts. 75,000 will be divided in 14, 5 and 6, that is 42, 15 and 18. For the next journal entry, we have to find the firm's goodwill. Goodwill के लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या चाहिए? Average profit. Average profit is 55. Super profit will be 55 minus 3, 55 minus 30, that is 25,000. The super profit is 25,000 and the goodwill of the firm will be twice the super profit, that is 50,000 rupees. Now Bhim is retiring, so Bhim's share of goodwill will be 5/25 of 50,000. Firm's goodwill is 50, but his share is only 5/25. That means he should get 10,000 rupees as goodwill. This goodwill will be given by Arjun as he is getting the whole share. Only Arjun is gaining, so only Arjun will provide him the goodwill. The entry will be Arjun debit to Bhim 10,000. Now for the next entry to divide the profit, we need the new ratio. To find the new ratio, all we have to do, we have to add Bhim's share and Arjun's share, that is 14/25 plus 5/25. His new share will be 19/25 and Nakul का वही रहेगा 16/25. तो जो profit हुआ 1 lakh का, that will be divided in new ratio, that is 19:6. The entry here will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to Arjun and to Nakul. 1 lakh rupees will be divided in 76 and 24,000. Then if we look at question number 23, now it is an important question. This question states A, B, C and D are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5,331. On the retirement of C, goodwill was valued at 3,60,000. This is firm's goodwill. C will get his share, that is 3/12. That is 3/12 of 36,000. That is 90,000 goodwill he will get. C's share of goodwill will be adjusted into capital count of A, B and D. But the new profit sharing ratio is 9:1. The new profit sharing is 9:2:1. We have to find the gain and sacrifice firstly. C's share of goodwill is clear, 3,60,000 multiplied by 3/12. That means C should get 90,000. But when we find out the gaining ratio, you will get to see that A's sacrifice will be A earlier had 5.12, now he's getting 9.12. That means he is gaining 4.12. But in case of B, if you look, the earlier it was 2.12, but now he's getting 3.12. That means his share has, sorry, earlier he was getting 3.12, now he's getting 2.12. That means he has sacrificed. As he has sacrificed, he will also get good share of goodwill. C is neither gaining nor sacrificing. His old ratio and new ratio, sorry, C is now sacrificing the whole amount. D is not gaining nor is sacrificing. C तो जा ही रहा है फॉर्म छोड़ के, C का तो हो गया पूरा सेक्रीफाइस, बट D का से अगर आप देखें तो D का पहले भी शेयर था 1/12, स्टिल इट इज़ 1/12. दैट मीन्स B इज़ नाइदर गेनिंग नॉट सेक्रीफाइसिंग. तो D को हमें कुछ करना नहीं है. C इज़ रिटायरिंग फ्रॉम द फर्म, ही विल गेट गुडविल. B इज सेक्रीफाइसिंग, ही विल ऑल्सो गेट गुडविल एंड इट विल बी गिवन बाय A. A को हम डेबिट करेंगे और B एंड C को क्रेडिट करेंगे. A विल बी डेबिटेड बाय 4/12 ऑफ 3,60,000, दैट इज़ 1,20,000. Then B will be credited by 1/12 of 3,60,000. That means he will get 30,000, and C will be credited by 90,000 rupees. So in case a partner who is not sacrificing but still he sacrifices his shares, a partner who is not retiring but still he sacrifices share, he will be credited at the time of adjustment in goodwill. In the next video we will discuss further more topics. Till then, take care and have a great day.